I'm Emily Cappiello with the Gourmet Insider, and I'm here in Oyster Bay, New York at Osteria Leana with Chef Peter van der Mije. And they have a really great program. They focus on local ingredients, farm to table Italian, and he's gonna teach us how to make a couple dishes today. So what are we making, Chef?
Thanks, Emily. So what we're making today is Frascatelli. It's from Mije in Italy. It is a very simple pasta. You look like a culinary hero when you make this at home because it's so fast. You only need basically 2 ingredients, flour and water. And it's kind of a mixture between spetzel and couscous. So Emily, if you'd pour out the flour.
Oh God, here we go. Can I screw this up?
Not really.
Oh, okay. Look at me, I'm a flour pouring hero.
There you go. So we'll just spread the flour out. And then once you have the flour spread out, and you can do this on any surface, it doesn't have to be a wooden surface, it can be a stainless steel, whatever you have at home. And then you start putting big drops of water on your flour. Just let it fall right out of your hands.
Why bigger drops instead of just pouring it out?
With the bigger drops, you'll get bigger pasta.
Okay.
The pasta and the water kind of come together. You can use anything here. I tend to prefer a spatula, large spatula. It's a little easier, but you can use a pastry knife, you can use your hands, whatever it is, for whatever's easier for you. So you bring these things together. And all the pasta, and then spread it back out. Spread it back out. Tap it off. Do it again. Big drops of water.
Wow. Okay.
This is super simple, right? And you're not using any eggs. You're not rolling anything out.
True. Which tends to get pretty messy.
It does get messy.
Says my kitchen.
Yes. And now, if you have these big clumps in here, you can just chop it up. It's no big deal. Now you're gonna take a sheet tray. We're gonna take a perforated pan, colander, whatever you have at home.
I'm watching you so intently.
This is very intense.
I know.
This is probably the easiest pasta you can ever make, so don't feel like you can screw this up. So here we go. We shake it out. And then you have your pasta. And that's how easy it is.
Wow. That's great. And that's fresh. And you've made that yourself, and you can feel really good about that.
You can feel really good about it, and people will be really impressed.
Yeah.
That's the main takeaway.
Well, I'm super impressed.